Okay, so a bird just flew in our garage. Ah! It's up there! It's
Where?
I heard it.
Where?
Up on the little... I'm kind of going up there.
Oh.
I need a stick to protrude it. You hear it?
Yeah, keep going.
I need like the net.
I know.
Oh, it's back there.
You see it?
No. Oh my god! That's the bird. It's in our garage. So it flew in like right there and then we lost it, but I found it. Gabby. Oh my god! Where'd it go? Where is it? Where is it?
I think it's gone.
It flew inside the van?
No.
Oh my god. Sorry for the bad camera work. It's scary.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, it's on top of the garage. You see it?
No, let's shut it.
Right there.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get a better view.
It's about to fly.
Then you have to start. Oh my god. It's coming towards us! It ran into the wall and fell down. Check it out. Check it out. Trap it with the net, okay? I know it's gonna be scary, but you have to remember, trap it with the net.
It's right there. Get a good shot.
Right where?
Come over here. You really want me to trap it? It pooped!
I don't want to leave the bird. I'll get the poop later. It hit the wall. I think it's dead now because it. Gabby, see that? See right there, that brown spot?
I don't know what to do.
Turn on the lights in the garage. I can get some better camera stuff.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Bird! Gabby, when I said bird, it looked at me. Bird. Get out of our garage, please.
So I don't want anything to happen like in the office. So we need to...
I don't know what it's gonna do. I think unless we charge it, it's just gonna. It flew away. It's okay. We're good. Where'd it poop? Oh, that's fresh. Ew, it's brown. Well, can we close our glasses and come back in here? Okay, you see that brown spot right there? It just pooped, and we just cleaned the camera.